You wanna give me the best. You wanna give me the best that you have. You're great.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows on a day-to-day basis. So I'm going to go ahead and use these products here that you see on the screen. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to pull my hair up just to get it out of my way. Make sure my hair is not in my face while I'm doing my eyebrows. So I'm going to start out by using a spoolie brush. I'm just going to brush my hair upward or in the way that it actually grows, which my hair actually grows up. So up is fine for me. And I'm using a dark brown eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyebrows. You can use any eyebrow pencil you like. I'm using one that I just picked up at Walgreens in the color dark brown. If you mess up while you're lining your eyebrow, you can go ahead and just fix it like I did, or you can wait till the end when you're using concealer and cover that thing right on up. Now that I have my eyebrows lined, I'm going to go ahead and start filling them in. Be sure not to put too much pressure onto your eyebrow, otherwise you'll get really dark eyebrows. You want to use light strokes. I'm going to use the Salon Perfect Brow Pomade, and that's also in the color dark brown. I'm going to use the angled brush that came with that, and I'm going to go ahead and reline my eyebrows, and also use this to fill in as well. I'm going to take another angled brush and I'm going to go back in with that same brow pomade, and I'm just going to make sure that I'm filling in all the spaces so that you don't have any light spaces. Now, using that same eyebrow pencil that I used at the beginning, I'm just going to make hair-like strokes right at the front of my eyebrow, because the front of my eyebrows are really thin and I don't want it to look like I don't have any hair there. So I'm just going to make some little hair-like strokes. So this step is completely optional. It's just something I like to do. So I'm just going to take a brow powder and I'm just going to put it over the top parts of my eyebrow. Again, just to hold the color in place. Using the Color Mates Duo palette, and it's dark brown and medium brown as the colors. Now I'm going to use my Pro Concealer in the color Nude, and I'm going to line the bottom part of my brow. And I'm just going to use an angled brush to make sure that I'm making this as neat as possible. Using that same angled brush, I'm going to put a little bit of my foundation on it, and I'm just going to go over the top part of my brow. I'm going to use my Fit Me foundation in the color Toffee or number 330 to line the top of my brow. That way it's looking nice and crisp. Once you've got your brow lined, you're just going to go ahead and blend the rest of the foundation out. And last but not least, I'm going to use my e.l.f. brow gel, and it's in the color Clear. And I'm just going to place that over the top of my eyebrow to secure it and keep it in place all day long. Alright, so just like that, I've got my eyebrow done, as you can see, the before and after. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this tutorial, make sure that you leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
You wanna give me the best.